In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the company or the manufacturer of any product that you want to buy on Alibaba.com app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So when you are making any purchases, sometimes you'll want to go ahead and see who is the supplier or who is the manufacturer of the product you want to just purchase or before you purchase it. For instance, we want to go ahead and place an order for this best-selling stylish high-end shoes here, and this is a custom leather kid sandals. But I'd like to go ahead and see or find out who is the manufacturer for these shoes or whom am I buying from. To find the manufacturer or the seller, scroll down up to the end, and just below the store review you will be able to see the name of the trader or the company that is manufacturing this product. And as you can see, here is the manufacturer of this product. Now, if you go ahead and click on the name of this manufacturer, you'll be able to find more details such as the name, the years in operation on this platform, and also the country, as well as the name of the company. And you'll also be able to see other products that are coming or that are available from this same manufacturer. So that's how you find the name of supplier or manufacturer of any product on Alibaba.com app. If this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.